Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding XRP on Robinhood and want to move it to your Arculus wallet in 2025, you're in the right place. With crypto regulations and platforms evolving, transferring assets securely is more important than ever. This quick guide will walk you through the process step by step, so you can do it confidently and avoid common pitfalls. First things first, make sure you have both a Robinhood account with XRP and an Arculus wallet set up. Double-check that your Arculus wallet is funded and ready to receive assets. Always verify your wallet address to prevent any errors. Now, open your Robinhood app or website and log in. Head over to the Crypto section, find your XRP holdings, and select the option to withdraw or transfer out. Next, you'll need to enter the wallet address from your Arculus app. Copy it carefully to avoid typos, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Robinhood might ask for additional details like the network type. Make sure it's compatible with XRP, usually the XRP ledger. Before you confirm, review the transaction fees and estimated time, which could vary in 2025 based on market conditions. Once everything looks good, hit confirm and wait for the transaction to process. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Arculus wallet to confirm the XRP arrives safely. Remember, always enable two-factor authentication and use secure devices to protect your assets. And there you have it. That's how you transfer XRP from Robinhood to Arculus in 2025. It's a straightforward process, but staying vigilant is key in the crypto world. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that crypto knowledge together.